As we mentioned earlier, these units are preset at the factory to require calibration every month. In order to calibrate them, you're going to need a few items. You'll need the meter itself. You'll need 3 bottles of test gas, one that's a 2.5% methane, one that's 100% methane, and one that's a 1.1% propane. In addition to the test gases, you're going to need the regulator and the gas hose. It's rather a complex procedure, so I've created a cheat sheet for you that will go out with this video that you can use to reference as you calibrate the meters. Start by turning the meter on and allowing it to warm up. Make sure that all 3 of your gas cylinders are available and ready to go. We're going to start in natural gas mode, and so the first gas that we'll need is the 2.5% natural gas or methane solution. Put the regulator onto the gas bottle, but don't hook up the yellow hose yet. Once this yellow hose is hooked up to the port, it will start flowing gas. So you don't want to leave it hooked up at any point when you're not looking to flow the gas. Make sure that your meter is set to read natural gas. If it's not, then go ahead and change it back over to natural gas, because that's what we'll start with. Zero the meter if necessary. Once your meter is zeroed and in the correct gas setting, we need to go into the calibration mode. We're going to press and hold the B button until the user menu shows. We'll walk through the user menu until we get to calibration. We're going to press the B button and the words Auto Cal will show on the screen. This says we're ready to start the calibration. So to start the calibration, we're going to press the B button from this screen. It's telling us to attach the 2.5% methane solution. You only have 30 seconds in which to do this. So screw the hose onto the regulator. Remember that as soon as this is attached, gas is now flowing out this end, and attach this end to the unit. Once it senses that it's there, it'll start running numbers on the screen. The numbers that you see have nothing to do with what it's reading. It's just a computer printout of what the sensor is reading. You'll see it go through the cycle twice. At the end, it will ask you for the next gas. Now it's telling you to attach the 100% methane. Again, you have 30 seconds to do this. You can just take the regulator off of the bottle and put it on the other bottle. You may get a flow blocked message while you do this. Don't worry about it. Once it starts reading the methane, it'll continue to set it up. When it's done, it comes back to the AutoCal screen, and you're ready to finish off. Disconnect the yellow hose, making sure that you don't leave it attached to the regulator. use the A button to return back to the main menu. Let the gas come out of the system before you shut it down. Now we need to switch the gas type to propane. Hold the B button down, go to gas type, and go to propane. You can zero the sensor if necessary. While it's zeroing, I'm going to move the regulator to the propane bottle. Now we need to go back through the calibration mode to do the propane side. Press and hold the B button. Go to Cal, Auto Cal, and now it's going to ask for the propane to be attached. Just like we did before, we attach the yellow hose and attach it to the unit. And press the A button to get back to normal operation. Allow the gas to get out of the machine before you shut it down. If at any time in the process you get a failure indicated on the display, press the A button to go back to the main screen and start over.